Okay, everybody, we've been given this question. Given that a large square and that a small square or smaller square inscribed in it such that the corner of the smaller square is located at the center of the large square. Find the area of the smaller square if the diagonal of the large square is 64 units. So let me show the figure. Okay. So this means OC is AC over 2. So OC is going to be 32 units. So this is 32 units. Okay. Now let me take this point as some E. Right. So clearly the corner is intersecting the center of the square. So that would mean if I take BE to be as some U, then I would have OE also to be some U, the same U. Now since we are given that the diagonal is 64 and OC is 32, this distance is also going to be 32. Right. Now we are dealing with a square, so this is going to be 90 degrees. So that means since triangle OEB is a right triangle, so this means we can use Pythagoras law, Pythagoras theorem, which is OE squared plus EB squared is equal to OB squared. So OE squared is U squared, EB squared is also U squared, OB squared is 32 squared. So this is 2 times U squared is equal to 32 times 32. So U squared is equal to 32 over 2 times 32. So U divides here how many times? 1 time, 6 times 32. So this is my U squared. So U is equal to root of 16 times root of 32. 16 is 4. 32 I'm going to write it as 4 times 8. So it's going to be 4 times of root of 4 times. And 8 I'm going to write it as 2 times 2 times 2. So this is going to be 4 times of 4, 2 times the root of 2, which is going to be 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32 times the root of 2. Okay. So therefore U is 32 times the root of 2. This is side, right? So therefore area of OEB, say I'll take it as some F, OEBF is side multiplied with side. So it's going to be 32 times root 2 multiplied with 32 times root 2. This is going to be 32 squared. Root 2 into root 2 will give me 2. Now 32 squared is what? 32 times 32. 2 2s are 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 3s are 9, 4, 12 and 1024. And this has to be multiplied with 2. So that is going to give me 8402 square units. So let me write this down. Area of the smaller square. Therefore, area of the smaller square is 2048 square units. So that's a solution for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everybody.